I'm Charles, the Bath Township Public Library, and this is January's Crafts to Go, and we're going to be doing a pocket watch inspired by the White Rabbit from Lewis Carroll's Alice in Wonderland in celebration of his birthday in January. So the things that you're going to get inside of your kit are going to be the outside of your pocket watch, and it'll have a little pinhole in it, and then a bigger hole on top. 2 white circles. One will have a little pinhole in it, and the other one won't. Your 2 little watch hands, that's what they're called, right? And a brad, along with some string. Yarn. Yeah, yarn. And then inside of that too, you're gonna have 3 coloring pages from the Disney movie. Yeah, Disney movie. The old one, not the new one by Tim Burton. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is glue your circles on. You're gonna want to take the one without the pinhole and put it on the side that does not have the pinhole on it. And then you're going to use the circle with the pinhole. And for this one, when you glue it on, you want to make sure that the pinholes of both the circle and your watch line up so that they can be stuck together later. Right. Then after this, you're going to want to do your picturing and coloring. So on the left side, where you do not have the pinhole, it's going to be like the picture of your locket, so you can draw or color whatever you want. For mine, I'm going to draw a picture of the sun. And put a smiley face on it. And then on the side with the pinhole, this is going to be your clock side, and you're going to want to number across your clock with 12 on the top, and then just all of your. It's best to probably do 12, 3, 6, and 9 first, so that way you know how to space it out. And then next, what you're going to want to do is take your brad and your 2 little clock hands and stick the little triangle, not the little sharp piece of the brad, through both ends of the clock hands. Then you're going to want to stick it through the 2 pinholes in your clock and make sure it goes all the way through, and then bend it down. So now you have your clock hands on your brads, and you can put what time it is on your clock. And the final thing you're going to do is create the cord for your watch. There's 2 ways you can do this. You can just do it a normal way and string it right through normally and tie it off, and then you'll just have your just use the yarn normally. Or we're going to show you how to use a slip knot technique to create more of a braided version to use for your watch. So the first thing you're going to want to do while finger crocheting is make your slip knot, and you're going to create it by flipping over, creating your little hole loop, and then you're going to pinch it on your fingers and pull through the long ways and tighten it on the other side so it gets like this. And then you're going to put your finger through and tighten it up to your finger. And then this is where, and it's just going to be a repeat process of you putting it over your finger and then pulling the far side over this and then retightening. And then you're going to put it over your finger again and retighten. And then you're going to do it over and over again as you go up your string. Now, if this is too hard for you, it's totally okay just to use your yarn and tie it like you normally would without doing the finger crocheting. Now when you get to the end, what you're going to want to do, once you have a little, is knot it twice through. And pull it tight, so that way it knots it. And you can do this on the other end too, just to make sure. That it doesn't come unraveled. And then take your first end from the beginning and you're going to want to push it through the hole on the top of your pocket watch and tie a knot in it. And boom. Ta-da! You got your watch. Your little pocket watch. So thank you for joining us for this month's craft to go of making pocket watches.